So Werner, since Ultrapac Extreme came out, we're getting a lot of positive feedback from that on all different carpet fibers and what we call rat nasty carpets, the ones that are extremely dirty. But I do get a lot of questions about nanotechnology and exactly what it is. Can you explain that a little bit?
What we're doing is we're assembling things that's called supermolecules, where we may have a specific molecular structure of formation and something above that, or attached to the side, or more complex shapes that fit into that size of particle that we're talking about, and that's where we call it what nanotechnology is. So we have surfactants working with other ingredients and other things that we're actually adding to these formulations to actually deliver the behavior that we intend to do. So a lot of people associated that as little robots doing things. It's not really like that, but it's almost like tailoring the cleaning aspect of what those molecules are going to do to specific soils. So they have more affinity to do certain things for us. And the behavior is a little different than what you would normally expect of a surfactant or a solvent or things to do. And because it works so well, you don't need a lot of it. And if you look at the formulation of the Ultrapac Extreme, when you look at the active ingredients, other than the salts that are there, it's so small that it would say on a ready-to-use solution should never work. But that's what we're doing. We're actually creating structures. There's a part of chemistry called physical chemistry. It's a really complicated stuff, especially mathematically, but that's what we're working with. We're analyzing how these things are behaving on a molecular level. So we're tuning the formulation to do things. And that's why we tell people don't mix with anything, because you will break those structures down. You will affect how the product performs.